Have you ever felt the need to share your thoughts, feelings, or experiences with others without fear of judgment or ridicule? Have you ever wanted a safe space where you can connect with like-minded individuals and build meaningful relationships? If so, you're not alone. Many people are seeking platforms that prioritize safety, privacy, and community. One such app that has gained popularity in recent times is Koho. But is Koho app safe? Is it a trustworthy platform where you can express yourself freely without worrying about your personal information being compromised? In this video, we'll delve into the safety aspects of the Koho app. We'll explore its privacy policies, security measures, and user experiences to help you decide if it's the right platform for you. Understanding Koho. Before we dive into the safety aspects, let's briefly understand what Koho is. Koho is a social media app designed to foster a supportive and inclusive community. It allows users to create profiles, share posts, and interact with others through comments, likes, and messages. One of the key features of Koho is its emphasis on user safety. The app aims to provide a safe and welcoming environment for everyone, regardless of their background or beliefs. Safety features and measures. Koho has implemented several safety features and measures to protect its users. Here are some of the key ones. Reporting and moderation. Koho has a robust reporting system that allows users to flag inappropriate or harmful content. A team of moderators reviews these reports and takes appropriate action, such as removing offensive content or banning users who violate the community guidelines. Privacy settings. The app offers various privacy settings that allow users to control who can see their profile, posts, and messages. Users can choose to make their profiles public, private, or semi-private. Verification process. Koho may require users to verify their accounts through email or phone number to prevent the creation of fake profiles and reduce the risk of scams. Community guidelines. Koho has clear community guidelines that outline acceptable behavior and prohibit harassment, bullying, hate speech, and other harmful activities. Users who violate these guidelines may face consequences, including account suspension or termination. While Koho has taken steps to ensure user safety, it's important to consider the experiences of actual users. Many users have shared positive feedback about the app's safety features and welcoming community. Many users have reported feeling comfortable and safe expressing themselves on Koho. They appreciate the app's moderation efforts and the ability to control their privacy settings. Some users have also mentioned that the community is generally supportive and respectful. However, it's worth noting that there have been some reports of negative experiences. Some users have complained about encountering harassment or bullying, while others have raised concerns about the app's moderation policies. It's important to remember that individual experiences may vary. Privacy policies and data security. Another crucial aspect of app safety is its privacy policies and data security measures. Koho's privacy policy outlines how the app collects, uses, and protects user data. The app collects certain personal information, such as your name, email address, and profile picture. This information is used to create your account, facilitate communication, and personalize your experience. Koho states that it takes data security seriously and has implemented measures to protect user data from unauthorized access, disclosure, or alteration. However, it's important to review the app's privacy policy carefully to understand how your data is handled. To get a better understanding of Koho's safety features, it's helpful to compare it to other popular social media apps. While each app has its own unique approach to safety, Koho generally aligns with industry standards. Compared to some other apps, Koho may have stricter moderation policies and more robust reporting systems. However, it's important to note that no app is completely immune to negative behavior. Is Koho app safe? Based on the information available, Koho appears to be a relatively safe platform. The app has implemented various safety features, has a dedicated moderation team, and offers users control over their privacy settings. However, as with any online platform, it's important to exercise caution and be aware of potential risks. Be mindful of the information you share, avoid engaging in harmful activities, and report any suspicious behavior. Ultimately, whether Koho is safe for you depends on your individual needs and comfort level. If you're seeking a supportive and inclusive community where you can express yourself freely, Koho may be a good option. In conclusion, Koho app offers a range of safety features and measures to protect its users. While there have been some reports of negative experiences, the overall consensus is that the app provides a relatively safe environment. Whether Koho is the right platform for you depends on your personal preferences and risk tolerance. It's important to carefully consider the app's privacy policies, community guidelines, and user experiences before deciding. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.